my beautiful people. What's poppin'? You see, it's getting kind of clear. Facial hair, growing up. You know, we glowing up, bro. Is that something on my screen, or it might just be the shadow? But anyways, I just woke up. I just woke up, washed up, and I said, you know, let me record this video before I forget. But let's talk about the end of the world. Now, let me mute this TV before I start repeating stuff on television. Alright, so with this December 21st date, right? Nobody really knows if that's the end, you know? You can't. Some random person just came up with that date and just said, you know what? December 21st, that's the date. I don't know why they picked that date specifically, but maybe they had a feeling. Maybe they just wanted to pick a date just because. But look, nobody knows. None of us mortals, no matter how spiritual you are going to know when it's that time to ascend. And it's not the world ending. It's just an ascension. And it could be debatable to a lot of people. To me, it's like, it's just us spiritual people. Let me describe it this way, right? So, I have a lot of dreams. We all dream. I have a lot of dreams. I have a lot of spiritual experiences where I see all types of UFOs and stuff, astral projecting, etc., etc. And just recently, well, how recent was that? Like maybe like a couple of days ago to a week ago, I had a dream that I was seeing this red UFO in the sky, like a giant one, and solar flashes and a green meteor coming down. And whatchamacallit, I was just driving around my area. I'm not gonna tell you where I am, but I was just driving around my area, and I was like, "Yo, what's going on?" I was dreaming, but I was like, it feels real because I could lucid dream. But I was like, "Yo, is this real?" And so, damn, my teeth are, why do they always look like they glowing nowadays? Ever since I used that charcoal toothpaste, but that's what I was saying. When do I think the end of the world is? Or like the ascension period? I'm gonna call it the ascension period because that's better. I feel like that won't happen until 2021. 2021. Everybody thinks, yo, this is the year. I feel like it's 2021. I'm not saying that it can't be 2020, but I'm just saying everybody's hyping it up right now, and it could be like a psych type of thing, like, oh, y'all thought it was happening on December 21st? Nope. And then all the people who were so hyped for that date, or all the people who they were getting ready for that spiritual ascension date, they're all gonna go back to being non-spiritual, or they're all gonna go back to they're gonna go back to their regular ways, right? Like their lower dimensional ways, like ejaculating more, I don't know, what is some low dimensional stuff? I guess getting involved in social beef. I mean, I don't know, fighting over shit that don't matter. I mean, if you see like that, just a lot of like sinful shit, you know. But I mean, ever since 2018, I had this funny feeling, and I told all my, well, not all, but most of my friends who were really close to me back at that date, I always felt that 2021 was gonna be like, first I thought it was gonna be the year that I died. Like I thought I was straight tripping like all 2018, because I was like, yo, am I gonna die in 3 years? Like I was just like, huh. Like I was straight tripping because it was like I had first the date for me was like August 21st, 2021, and then I started doing at the time I was like, nah, it can't be, because then my OCD started acting up. So then I started doing my research. What could be happening in 2021? What could start then? Now I was like, oh, Lil Uzi Vert, he's turning 2021. I mean, in 2021, he's turning 27. In 27, he said he's going to leave the earth, and yada, yada, yada. And I'm like, Oh, so this must be the um damn it, what is that battle called? Hold up. Let's see. Okay. Okay, hold on. I'm looking for the, what is it called, bro? What is, like after the rapture where oh my god, dude. Like after the rapture when like the ascension happens and then the tribulation. That big the 7-year war. That's what I was flipping out about. And so yeah, man. And now I just feel like in 2021 it'll be, I don't know the date. Nobody knows the date. I just feel like that's the year where it's gonna be like, dude, you don't want to fall for that. Yeah, good boy. This cat climbing on everything, dude. But I feel like in 2021, that's the year where things are gonna like not go crazy per se, but a lot of people are probably gonna like lose their shit. I mean, even in December, I feel like a lot of people are gonna like be on some rough shit. But yeah, man, 2021, it's gonna be an interesting year. If that's what happens in 2021. Like I said, I don't know the date. These other spiritual YouTubers you see, they don't know the date. Montu Cut, Spiritual Soul even said that he doesn't know the date. Because they can say that they astral project all they want. I'm not saying that's going to denounce their credibility. It kind of does, but they don't know for sure. They don't. It's as simple as that. They're people. They're spiritual people, don't get me wrong. But at the end of the day, they're people. Until they ascend and become whatever we become up there. But I might record another video today. That's the main thing I wanted to get out, the spiritual stuff. I mean, the end of the world. The thing that I would say though, like when it comes down to being spiritual, like, no, when it comes down to that time, like just start making your changes now. Start making your change for your better, for your mental health now. Like I'm trying to help people, not even in a spiritual way, but trying to help them in like a way that could like benefit their mental. I'm not gonna say the people's names because that's outright disrespectful. But definitely try to take care of your mental health, take care of yourself first, and then focus on others. Shoot. I thought I had more to say. Oh, real quick. When that time comes, which we won't know. Yeah, there might be UFOs in the sky. I'm probably gonna pronounce this wrong. Don't get on me. Anukai. I'm starting to do my research on that whole entire thing because I haven't quite jumped into it. I said I would, but I haven't really jumped into it. Schoolwork, man. What else? It's a lot of things. They talk about spiritual families on cloak ships. It's a lot of stuff that I'm starting to look into now. I gotta focus on one thing because like I'm all over the place in my research. It is really crazy. Like if I was to like show you, it's crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, you're probably gonna see a lot of solar flashes. When it comes down to that time, you see the humidity is rising up and down. Well, over here in New York at least, humidity's going up and down. Got the heater on right now because it got like hella cold outside. But it's changing. The world is changing. It is. Change for the better. Lots of people are becoming awoken to these spiritual to their spiritual journeys. Cause this whole COVID period, this was just meant to benefit. Oh, my video gotta end. This was just meant to, how you say, this whole COVID period was meant for us to evolve. It was meant for us to actually change. Like we had to reach another level of mindset. Some people did, some people didn't. Now for the people who didn't, y'all gotta get on y'all shit. I mean, if y'all don't, I mean that's on you. I mean, live your life. I'm not here to dictate it. But for the people who did try to become spiritual, at least a little bit, and people who went further and beyond, thank you, my G. You're benefiting yourself. Thank you, my G. You're growing as a person. So, don't forget to meditate. Take care of your mental health. I'm not even using this mic. What the hell am I doing with it? Y'all stay blessed, y'all.